Hi again everyone. I'll just do a quick video of the stuff I've picked up about the past week. I think I've been rather selective on what I've been picking up. I have so much gaming stuff at the moment, so I've been really picky about what I've been picking up. But I picked this up quite randomly in a charity shop. It's all complete, tested and working. Same as that wheel. I took a punt on this, which is boxed. I've tested it, it's working. It's not worth as much as I thought it was going to be, but hey hey. Some Sega Saturns. Tested this one works, which is a Mark 1. The Mark 2 there. This one wouldn't read. I've taken the laser out and adjusted it. I also adjusted the this spinning speed, and it was working fine for about 3/4 of an hour, and then just stopped reading this again, so I might have to put a laser in it. This one I haven't tested yet. There is one in there somewhere. Yeah, there is another one in there too. And quite a few games. And some of these games are quite nice. There's quite a few doubles in here of certain games. Quite a few copies of Sega Rally and Wheelboy Soccer. There's a couple of, there's 3 loose discs as well. There's a couple of these games, not that they don't appear very often, but are worth more than what I paid for the whole lot anyway. Nice collection of Sonic games there. Panzer Dragoon 1 and 2, 2 copies of 2, and Bomberman. The Bomberman game and probably the Panzer Dragoon ones will more than cover what I paid for this lot. So the rest is essentially free. But I just took a punt on this. I just saw it in a charity shop. They wanted 20 quid, so I thought it's got to be worth more than that. This was £3, I think, and it's not worth as much as I thought it was going to be. I've sold a couple of these in the past, but obviously different models, because other ones I've sold for around 50 to 80 quid, so hey hey. But quite nice. Anyway, cheers, thanks.